Myntri Rangba ke jylla konrat ke sang mau sembut Myntri Rangba ba Preston ten sang menta kesini ke Pratrik Wiyong Arhajar Alpendre rengkat kinong Ialam ke seng Catholic Bishop Conference of India kela kynduh ha kenong ba Delhi yau Myntri ke Sarkar pedang ukiran Rijiju Myntri bedai peit ya ke ritpaid ha kri India ha bakran ha kilat pathai kubor hadin ke jeng kynduh yau Myntri Sarkar pedang Myntri Rangba ke jylla konrat ulang ba kini ke jeng kynduh kulong halor ka Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment Bill Arhajar Arpendrio. Ha kani kejeng kendo ule penpau ya kejeng sau kia kum gi Kristan ha kabaya de bat kani ka amendment kam tam ka kendon ka bakat ndrio ha kabala pendrong ya ka kendon ka batmai ha kabala ban shim ya kejeng don jeng em ha kani kejeng kendo kum ka kenhon ke pensau badan kam ban ya phle jengmut bat ki kenhon ba pher Menteri rang baul ong bagi penpau ya kejeng sau ngo ya menteri ha kaba ula kular ba ya kani ka kam un se ya kran bat ki bor ki ba khle do bat un sa pentep ya kejeng ni na kata kejeng ya kran kum ka kenhon ki don kejeng kerman wakan don kejeng merjeng mat ke babnya bat kejeng pengkala ya ke bil ban pentikna ba ki jaka putra bat ka hok jong ki kenhon ba pher kham tam jong ki Kristan kinyo ya kejeng ya da.
The entire purpose of our meeting was regarding the FCRA Bill. And we expressed our concerns as Christian organizations regarding the amendment bill, especially Section 16, where new clauses are being introduced, where seizure of the property can be done based on a designated authority. Of course, there are much more legal aspects to it, but there are 3-4 more other provisions which were concerned. And we raised the issue and we requested the Honorable Minister if a much more larger discussion can be made with other stakeholders so that these concerns that are there can be addressed. So we are very happy. The Honorable Minister has given a very positive response and that he will definitely take up the matter at the top level and he will get back to us. And we are very hopeful that this particular bill, before it is passed, there will be detailed discussion and necessary amendments will be made to ensure that the property and the rights of different institutes, especially the Christian institutes, are protected. And that is the purpose of our visit. And we are coordinating with different denominations, we are coordinating with different organizations, and we'll be meeting different ministers in order to express our concerns, and we are hopeful that the necessary amendments will be made.